Hey everybody, it's Al with BobCAD. So today I wanted to talk about 3D toolpaths, specifically our planar toolpath, and the code output that you can expect or customize when it comes to machining radiuses. Now, by default, the software is set up for linear interpolation, and that's what I have here. I have a shape with a radius, and you can see the toolpath is moving back and forth over that radius. But when you look at the G code over here, you can see it's made up of a group of Y and Z movements. So this is linear interpolated. Now, if you look at our program blocks, we have like 2,000 blocks of code here, and again, as the tool moves across, it has a line segment, and then it's made up of a bunch of little line segments to follow this shape. Okay, now the number of line segments that are generated, if we get into our parameters, has to do with your machining tolerance. This is the accuracy of the cut. You can increase or decrease this number to get a rougher or a finer finish. But when it comes to posting, you have a posting tab, and one of the options you'll see is called ARC Fit. If we turn this ARC Fit on and then we repost our program, you're going to see that our program blocks went from 2,000 to just under 500. And when you get into sections where there is arc movements, you're going to see that we have a Y, a Z, and an R. Now that could be an IJK, it just depends on your post processor, but what it's doing is it's going to shift. If we get up to the top here, we should see a shift into the G19 plane, allowing us to cut an arc, and that's a much smoother motion. It's less lines of code, and it's supported for both the 19 and the 18 plane. If we come in and we edit our pattern to 0 degrees and we recompute and then we repost, we should see that when it comes into the arc, we get a G18 movement. So utilizing 3D arcs, I guess you call them 3D arcs, but swinging arc movements in an 18 or a 19 plane versus linear interpolated does reduce the size of the program, and also it should run a lot smoother, possibly even faster. If you guys have any questions or comments about how to use G18 or G19 ARCs in your BobCAD software, just let us know. You can always comment back on the Facebook, the YouTube, or whatever thread this video may pop up in. Other than that, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys.